A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade.
All right, everyone. We got some intense court hearings to watch today. It's going to be a wild one. Our first sovereign citizen, or maybe sovereign idiot, is claiming is not a person but some kind of legal entity. The judge's reaction to this nonsense is hilarious. Courts only deal with real people, so his argument makes no legal sense. Let me know in the comments what you think of this crazy scene. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's jump in.
Morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not in
No.
the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024.
I really enjoy watching this judge. His sarcasm is hilarious, and honestly, it's a perfect way to handle these sovereign citizens. You can actually see them fall apart when he turns their nonsense back on them, and it's so funny. I'll be posting the second half of this guy's hearing tomorrow, so stay tuned. It gets even crazier. But for now, I've got another hearing for you, and this one's even more ridiculous. We've got another sovereign citizen, and this guy is completely out of his mind. Let me know what you think. Let's jump.
What's your name, sir?
I am Moore.
Moore?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation. I'm
same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant, and they're different warrant numbers. Okay, so I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States, and so what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States.
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
I'm asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, my honor,
Is he injured, deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the courtroom.
Is he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would
Okay.
like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen
Can you
thing?
provide me with the information?
Both.
I honestly can't tell if this guy is pretending to be mentally ill or if he's actually just completely out of it. Maybe it's a bit of both, like the deputy said. I have no idea what he thinks he's doing by just repeating the name more. Does he really believe the judge will give up and let him go? It makes no sense. Honestly, I think judges should just shut these hearings down the moment someone starts acting like this, or at least hold them in contempt. At this point, the guy is clearly wasting everyone's time and making a mockery of the court. What do you all think? Should judges be tougher on this kind of behavior? Let's jump back into it.
Okay.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said
Said
be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put the bond. Y'all take him.
Feet up.
Asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, you might want to chill out.
To be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything is challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two. Which one's the rest of
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
After that last stunt he pulled, I'm pretty convinced this guy is actually mentally ill. There are plenty of sovereign citizens who act clueless and say ridiculous things, but this guy takes it to a whole new level. It's like he's trying out for a bad reality show. How do you even argue with someone who refuses to accept basic laws? Honestly, the judge has the patience of a saint for not just shutting it down right away. And I feel like these Zoom court hearings give sovereign citizens an advantage. They can just talk over the judge, ramble on about their made-up laws, and avoid the pressure of being in a real courtroom where they might act more normally. I don't get how they think they can just say, I don't consent, and somehow avoid the law. Like, if they get a speeding ticket and say they don't accept it, do they really believe that means it goes away? It's ridiculous. These fake legal ideas have been debunked over and over, but they just keep going like one day it'll actually work. Anyway, I'll wrap it up here. I'll be posting the second half of that first clip tomorrow, so stay tuned. Let me know in the comments what you think about Zoom court. Do you think it makes judges too lenient? And do you think these people are pretending to be crazy, or are they actually mentally ill? If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Ta!